Imagine creating stunning, high-resolution images without spending a dime. Intrigued? Stay tuned to discover the top free AI image generators of 2024 that are revolutionizing the art world. First up, meet Flux. 1. The open-source marvel that's being hailed as a mid-journey killer. With its high-resolution outputs and comprehensive editing features, it's perfect for both amateurs and pros. Next, we have Kandinsky 2.2, leveraging latent diffusion UNet technology. This tool allows for precise image manipulation using text commands, making it a favorite among artists and designers. For those who crave artistic flexibility, Pixray is your go-to. Combining VQ-GAN and clip technologies, it offers a customizable experience that pushes the boundaries of AI creativity. NightCafe is another gem, offering a flexible credit system and access to multiple AI models like Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 3. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned artists alike. Microsoft's Bing Image Creator is fully free and integrated into the Bing ecosystem. Despite its simplicity, it produces detailed and accurate images, making it a convenient option for quick creations. The beauty of these tools lies in their open-source nature and community-driven development, ensuring continuous improvements and adaptability. Whether you're a casual user or a professional artist, these platforms offer robust capabilities without the financial burden, making high-quality AI art accessible to all. As these tools continue to evolve, they are set to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve in the creative space, offering endless possibilities for innovation. So why wait? Dive into the world of free AI image generation and unleash your creativity. Remember, the future of art is here, and it's free! In the rapidly evolving world of AI, image generation has become one of the most exciting frontiers. While many popular tools like Midjourney and DALL-E require paid subscriptions, several free and open-source alternatives have emerged that are just as powerful. Below, we explore some of the top options available in 2024, providing robust capabilities without the cost. Flux 1. The Midjourney alternative. Flux 1 is a newly launched open-source model that's making waves as a potential mid-journey killer. Known for producing high-resolution and highly detailed images, Flux 1 offers comprehensive editing features, making it an excellent choice for both amateur and professional creators. Its community-driven development ensures continuous improvements and adaptability. Learn more about Flux 1 here. Kandinsky 2.2, high-resolution and customizable. Kandinsky 2.2 is an advanced open-source AI tool that leverages latent diffusion UNet technology to generate high-resolution images. With the addition of ControlNet, users can manipulate images with precision using text commands, making it a powerful tool for artists and designers alike. The platform is continuously evolving, ensuring it stays on the cutting edge of AI art generation. Explore Kandinsky 2.2 here. Pixray artistic flexibility and power. Pixray combines VQ-GAN and clip technologies to provide a highly customizable image generation experience. This tool is ideal for users who want to explore various artistic styles and push the boundaries of AI creativity. Its open-source nature and community support make it a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Check out Pixray here. NightCafe, accessible and feature-rich. NightCafe stands out as one of the few major AI image generators that remain free to use, with a flexible credit system. It offers access to multiple AI models, including Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 3, and has an active community that shares tips and artwork. This makes NightCafe a great option for those new to AI art or looking for a versatile platform. Start using NightCafe here. Bing Image Creator, free and easy to use. Microsoft's Bing Image Creator is a fully free AI image generation tool that doesn't require any additional subscriptions. It's highly accessible and integrated into the Bing ecosystem, making it a convenient option for quick and easy image generation. Give Bing Image Creator a try here. Despite its simplicity, it produces surprisingly detailed and accurate images. Conclusion: the landscape of AI image generation is expanding rapidly, with free and open-source tools becoming increasingly competitive with their paid counterparts. Whether you're a casual user or a professional artist, these platforms offer a range of capabilities to suit your needs without the financial burden. As these tools continue to evolve, they will likely push the boundaries of what AI can achieve in the creative space.